Hello everyone, I'm Alaika Yasmin Afendi. Today I will show you the steps to make cookies. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Here are the ingredients to make cookies. 1. We need 340 gram all-purpose flour. 2. 170 gram butter. 3. 1 egg. 4. 100 gram white sugar. 5. 80 gram palm sugar. 6. Half teaspoon of baking soda. 7. Half teaspoon of baking powder. 8. Half teaspoon of salt. 9. Half a tablespoon of vanilla essence. And the last, chocolate for the best topping. Here are the steps for making cookies. First, mix the butter with white sugar by using an electric mixer until it becomes fluffy. Start with the low speed. After the mixture becomes one, increase the speed to medium. And then we can use high speed to smooth the sugar. After the mixture becomes fluffy, add egg and use the low speed. Then, we can mix it again until it blended perfectly. Now, prepare all-purpose flour with a half teaspoon of baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Stir it until blended perfectly, and then we will add this mixture into the mixing bowl of egg, white sugar, and butter. Now, pour the flour mixture into the mixture of butter, white sugar, and egg. Don't forget to be careful. Next, pour the palm sugar into mixing bowl. Stir it with a spoon. Add a half tablespoon of vanilla essence into the bowl. Now, add chocolate as a base topping. You can use another topping depend on your taste, like nuts, dry fruits, chocolate chips, and any other things. Stir it again until the dough is well mixed. Now we will make the dough into a ball. The size is up to you. The bigger the size of the ball, the larger your cookies will look. After we finish with the ball, we will bake some of the balls and put the rest on the fridge. Don't forget to spread the butter in the pan. And you can add topping again on top of the ball. For me, I will sprinkle the rainbow meshes. Next, this is the oven that I will use. This oven is old, but my family still use this for baking a cake. This oven is called a pan oven or oven panci in Bahasa. You have to preheat it for about 20 minutes on medium heat. After that, you can put the dough inside. Now we will wait for about 12 until 15 minutes. And tada! The cookie is cooked and ready to be served. Thank you for watching and have a nice cookie!